The old Kindle Unlimited versus going wide debate. This has been going on longer than the what's better, Windows or Mac. Okay, so for those of you who are unaware of this debate, Amazon has a scheme called Kindle Unlimited. And this is where, for a monthly fee, members of Kindle Unlimited can read as many books as they want for free that are in that program, and the authors get paid every time somebody in that community reads a page. So when they read a page, part of their monthly membership fee for Kindle Unlimited goes to the author. The downside, there's a couple of downsides actually, maybe a few. Number one, Amazon demands exclusivity, which means you cannot sell your books on any other platform. So no Kobo, no Apple Books, no Barnes & Noble, nothing. Not even on your own website. You're not allowed to give your books away for free because Amazon considers the books their property. Well, not strictly their property, but they consider it to be, they're the only ones that are allowed to sell it or decide what to do with it. So obviously people are concerned about putting their eggs in one basket. What if you break some obscure Amazon rule and then you get kicked off Amazon and you haven't sold your books anywhere else? Also, some of your customers are not even on Amazon. There are quite a lot of people who hate Amazon and will not buy from them under any circumstances. So you're kind of alienating those people. But when I analyse my sales, I found that literally 99% of my sales were coming from Amazon. So this is why recently I've put all my books into Kindle Unlimited, because I figured since I wasn't selling the books anywhere else and I was getting all my money from Amazon anyway, I may as well go into Kindle Unlimited. Because when you go into Kindle Unlimited, you get a higher placement on the site, shall we say. When someone finishes one of your books, Amazon recommends the next one in your series, for example. And Kindle Unlimited is obviously a very popular platform. So you're going to get a lot of people reading the books. I mean, for example, in the last month since I went into Kindle Unlimited, my sales have shot up by 10 times what they were the previous month. 10 times. And all I had to do was go into Kindle Unlimited and take the books off the other platforms. Now, one of the other problems of Kindle Unlimited is that there's rampant cheating going on this platform. People, obviously, wherever there's money around, people are going to find out a way to cheat. Now, Amazon say they're on top of this and they're trying to fix it and so on, but obviously you have to take their word for it. I mean, there's no way to know if they're telling the truth or not. Yeah. So the question then becomes, do you trust Amazon enough? Do you trust the platform enough? Do you trust your fellow authors enough to want to put all your eggs in the Amazon basket just to get some more money? Or do you want to have different options open to you and stay out of Kindle Unlimited and have your books everywhere? Now, I'm looking at it from a purely business perspective. I write books for the money. I write books to pay the bills and put food on the table. Okay, so when I see that I can multiply my book revenue by 10 just by going into Kindle Unlimited, well, then it's a no-brainer for me. So you have to decide what's more important to you. Do you want more money in the short term? Or do you want to focus solely on the long term and give up short-term gain in the hope that maybe in the future your books on other platforms are going to take off? I don't work for Amazon. I have no reason to promote them, and no reason. I mean, they're not paying me. I'm not on Jeff Bezos's payroll. But whether you like it or not, Amazon is the dominant marketplace when it comes to books. I don't think we can get away from that. I don't think even Amazon's worst critic can deny the stranglehold that Amazon has over virtually all of e-commerce. So am I selling out by throwing my lot in with the biggest boy on the block? Maybe I am. But the way I see it is that I'm going where the money is. And as long as that's where the money is, that's where I will be. But you have to decide for yourself what your priorities are, both short term and long term. The good thing about Kindle Unlimited is that it's every 3 months. So every 3 months you can renew it for another 3 months in Kindle Unlimited, or you can bring your books out of the program. So you can try it, and if you like it, just keep renewing it. And if you don't like it, then just wait till the 3 months are up and then just bring your books out. And in some cases, if you send a very nice email to customer service at Amazon, in some cases, they'll even bring your books out earlier if you say that you want to bring them out. And, you know, in my experience, they've brought the books out early without any complaint. So there isn't really a serious commitment to having the books in long term. What I would say is, don't jerk your readers around. Okay, either you're all in with Amazon or you're with everybody. Don't confuse the readers, okay? You know, don't tell the readers that you're on every platform and then suddenly yank the books for only Amazon. That's going to piss people off, and you don't want to do that. So make a decision and try to stick to it.